It happens to all of us. You go to log in and your mind goes blank. Forgot your password. No worries, you're not locked out. At Coinlocally, your access is always in your hands. With just a few simple steps, you can reset your password securely and get right back to managing your assets with peace of mind. In this short video, we'll show you how. Click on the Forgot Password option on the login page. In the next step, enter the email you used to register, then click the Next button. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email. If 2FA is enabled, enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app, then click the Confirm button. On the next page, set a new password for your account and click Confirm. You can now log in using your email and new password.